the chief guest, principal, chief academic coordinator, admin officer and our level coordinators to come forward to receive honor of salutes paid by our captains and the houses. Carries the responsibility of representing the voice and aspirations of the student community. Marching gracefully beside him is our assistant.
Attention! Right turn! Don't go! Leaders, take charge!
Leading this prestigious procession is our school pupil leader, V. Varun of grade 11A. Confident and inspiring young leader, he carries the responsibility of representing the voice and aspirations of the student community. Marching gracefully beside him is our assistant school pupil leader, B.K. Harishrivarshi of grade 11A, known for her dedication, responsibility and unwavering commitment.
Following them is our sports captain, S. Joseph of grade 11A, and assistant sports captain, Aaron of grade 11A, with determination in his stride and the true spirit of sportsmanship in his heart. He embodies perseverance, discipline, and fair play. As these young leaders march before us, they carry not only the school flag, but also the values that define our institution. Following our distinguished student leaders, the four proudest houses of our school, marching with precision, confidence, and unwavering team spirit. Let us welcome them with resounding applause.
Throw!
Leading the indomitable Chera house with confidence and pride, house captain Lakshita of grade 9. She has come in the first place in Kabaddi in the school. Marching alongside her is the dedicated and enthusiastic vice captain Bhavyashri of grade 9. She has won the first prize in Kabaddi and second prize in badminton doubles.
Now comes the courageous Cholas, led by their fearless and courageous house captain, Kavan Vamshi of grade 9. He has bagged second prize in 100-meter running race and in 400-meter running race conducted in the intramurals. Accompanying the captain is the enthusiastic and dependable vice captain, D. Dishida of grade 9. She has won first place in running race and first place in long jump conducted in the intramurals.
Marching forward are the valiant Pandya under the inspiring leadership of our house captain, C. Priscilla Charu of grade 9. She has won second prize in long jump and throw ball in the intramurals. Walking alongside is the dedicated vice captain, Shivansh of grade 9. He has got second place in football and third place in running race.
Here comes the Garang Pallavas, proudly led by the charismatic house captain, V. Kishore of grade 9. He has got first prize in badminton doubles, second prize in badminton singles, first place in cricket, and second place in football. Supporting this inspiring leadership is the vice captain, Varnika of grade 9. She has bagged first prize in 400-meter running
great sporting event begins with a symbol of hope, determination, and excellence. It's now time to witness one of the most prestigious moments of our sports fiesta. The request our esteemed chief guest, the Olympic champion, Mr. Priti Shekhar, to graciously proceed towards the ceremonial torch and inaugurate our senior sports fiesta by lighting the Olympic flame. Dear valued audience, as the sacred flame begins to glow, let's welcome this magnificent moment with the thunderous sounds of applause. Now here comes the torch run. The torch is being taken by Ajay Joshua, our senior athlete of grade 12A, who has got first place in 100-meter running race and first place in 400-meter running race in the intramurals. Now the torch is being befittingly taken by Harshavardhan from grade 10. He has first prize in 100-meter running race, first prize in 400-meter running race, second prize in the shot put in the intramurals. Now the torch is being handed over to Joseph S. from grade 11, who is also our sports captain. He has bagged first prize in 100-meter running race, first prize in 400-meter running race, third prize in shot put in intramurals. The torch is being handed over to Kanishka Gray from 11A. She has proven herself as an athlete and a field player by winning first place in 400-meter running race, first place in 100-meter running race, and first place in shot put in the intramurals. Now she receives the honor of the lighting the Olympic lamp of wisdom and sportsmanship. May this radiant flame ignite every heart with courage to dream, the confidence to overcome challenges, and determination to achieve greatness through hard work and discipline. Thank you, respected dignitaries.
Leaders, attention! Forward march!
As the Olympic flame burns brightly before us, it stands as a beacon of hope, courage, and the enduring spirit of sportsmanship. We now invite our former school pupil leader, Master Ajay Joshua of grade 12 to lead the sports oath. We request all the student participants to stand in attention, raise your right hand, and solemnly repeat the oath after him.
We swear that we will take part in CDS Public School sports and games competition, respecting the regulations which govern them, and deciding sportsmanship for the honor of our school and the glory of sports. Thank you.
Attention! March past disperse!
Thank you everyone. May every participant uphold these principles throughout today's competitions and continue to exemplify the highest standards of sportsmanship both on and off the field.